Thank you so much for visiting us today at FMC in Wyong, Central Coast, New South Wales. We've been thrilled to have you. What's the highlight of the tour featuring our local manufacturing site?
Well, it's great to be here with Michael Feneley, our Liberal candidate here for the seat of Dobell. But to see the scale of industry here in Wyong, I think is terrific, as we see it all around regional parts of the country, and that'll only increase, particularly in those areas that are servicing and supporting the food and beverage sector and the agricultural sector, which FMC does. I think the most exciting thing about today was hearing about how many more people you're bringing on, and the trainees, and the commitment you've got to skills and education. I mean, research and development is key to your success, and understanding your customers, and the timeliness and efficiency of delivery, as you would know as the CEO. That's all really important, but at the end of the day, you've got to get the people you need to drive your business, and you've got to get them here where you are on the Central Coast. And so I'm excited about seeing how that's playing out, on the ground, and we're seeing those young people coming through. Not just young people, right across the board. Yeah.
Right. So we're on a great pathway towards the 100 billion by 2030,
yes,
and we're thrilled again for your partnership, collaboration, investment, and support in our business.
Thank you.
Well, thanks so much for having us. Really enjoyed the visit.
Thank you.
Okay, thanks.